Okay, so lots is going on in my ears right now. But later on, we will be joining Giovanni Dennis with an update of things happening at the PNP headquarters on Hope Road. But let's go to this story out of St. Thomas. With very little green and orange throughout various divisions across St. Thomas, one individual easily caught the attention of many. Here is Romardo Lyons with that story.
She lost a leg, not her right to vote. Now that's why 49-year-old Dalvarine Bruce made the effort despite the discomfort.
When I'm in a dead, God spare me life. So, I should put out the effort to go vote.
When she left home this morning at 6, it was dark. She then journeyed to the hospital for a checkup. And after that, even though tired, she journeyed here to the Yallas Baptist Church to cast her vote.
Feel good. I feel good. I feel real good.
Her response to something she says warmed her heart. You could also say it took her by surprise.
I'm getting a lot of help going inside there and support. It was good. Me now like both PMP help me and the JLP. Both of them help me. So me now go be biased and say, show me at that or that. Nobody help me. Both of them help me. And they was glad to see me as well.
But the Jamaica Physiotherapy Association says unfortunately, Miss Bruce exerted great energy.
I must say, I really admire her patriotism because in the face of her current challenges, she still found the strength to vote. Now, the timeline for rehabilitation following amputation can vary anywhere between 6 months to a year, given the person's individual circumstance.
Miss Bruce explained why. She's voted in every local government and general election since she was 18. She also worked at a polling station each time. 31 years later, nothing was going to stop her.
Me cooperate, you know. Me cooperate, man. No problem. Coping alright. Well, my daughter come and came go doctor, dress, gone home back. Well, them cook the dinner and support. So I'm good.
Now there was a 34% voter turnout in St. Thomas in the last local government election. And in the Yallas division, where Miss Bruce is from, 32%. That means just 2,842 people voted of the 8,876 registered voters. And judging by the small pockets of supporters on Monday, there could be a repeat. As a result, Miss Bruce posed a question to able-bodied Jamaicans who refused to vote.
But you're right. Why not vote?
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.